Treat yourself to a test drive in the 2014 Honda Accord. This four-door, five-passenger sedan leads among competitors in its segment. A 3.5-liter V6 engine pairs with a sophisticated six-speed automatic transmission, and for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Top features include front bucket seats, delay-off headlights, one-touch window functionality, speed-sensitive wipers, a power seat, heated seats, lane departure warning, and remote keyless entry. Premium sound drives 7 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Honda also prioritized safety and security with features such as head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.